Want to view your Straight Talk call history? It's easy. First, head to the Straight Talk website or open the mobile app. Log into My Account using your credentials. Navigate to the Usage History or Call Logs section. Here, you can filter by phone number or date range to find the specific call records you need. Remember, call history is typically retained for the last 90 to 120 days. If you encounter issues, ensure your internet connection is stable and clear your browser cache. For discrepancies in your call logs, contact Straight Talk support directly. Once you've accessed your call history, you can download it in PDF or CSV format. To download, select your preferred format and save the file. Be mindful of privacy. These logs contain sensitive information. When sharing, make sure the information is safe. If logs don't load, clear the app cache and try again. As of 2025, always use two-factor authentication for enhanced security.